Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into YouTube Studio as the channel owner. This is required because payment settings tie to the owner's account. Once signed in, go to Monetization, then AdSense link so you can access the payment profile. You need the same Google account used for AdSense. Make sure you have your ID, bank routing number, and account number to hand so you can enter exact values without interrupting the flow and avoid verification delays. Now navigate directly to payments. Google, and choose payment methods. YouTube uses AdSense payments, so changes must happen here. Add the new bank account, typing the routing and account numbers exactly as your bank shows them to prevent rejects. Once added, mark that new account as the primary payout method so future earnings route there. You can leave the old account as a backup until you confirm transfers. This avoids lost payouts and gives you a rollback option if verification fails. Finish by completing verification. Either confirm microdeposits or use instant bank verification if offered. You will need to enter amounts or grant access so Google confirms ownership. Once verified, return to YouTube Studio and confirm the change on the monetization payout settings and check the next payment date to ensure timing won't interrupt revenue. If verification stalls, re-enter numbers carefully and contact your bank to ensure they accept deposits from Google. If needed, contact AdSense support for a record of attempted deposits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.